Good evening, Indira Shah here. Today I want to make Kathiawadi khichdi. Kathiawad is a place in Gujarat, and they are very well known for making khichdis that is which will be quite hot in taste. So you need rice and three types of dal. That is, I have taken green gram, then green gram dal and tuver dal. So if the rice is 1 cup, then all three together it should be another cup. Okay. So 3 cups of 1 cup of rice and 1 cup of these dals mixed together. That you have to soak for an hour. Here I have already soaked it. And then you need vegetables, lots of vegetables. I have taken carrots, then this ivy gourd, potato, tomato, onion and brinjal. Brinjal I have taken, green brinjal. And then here masala you need bay leaf, clove, then cinnamon, and then this is green chilli and ginger. Okay, if you love to eat or like to eat garlic, you can add. I don't eat garlic, so I have not added. So now this should be done directly in the cooker. I have kept about 3 spoons of oil. Now let me add little turmeric and mustard seeds. Let the mustard seed splutter. I have also taken groundnut seeds. Okay, groundnut seeds really gives a good taste in this Kathiawadi khichdi. Yeah, the mustard is making the crackling sound. Now add the spice. Now these are all cut and washed vegetables. Okay. Now if you have taken 1 cup of all these, the water should be double. Okay. Now add all these, including the chilli and ginger. This should be actually soaked for an hour. In case you have no time for soaking, you can directly make it. There is no harm. Now add the required salt. The youngsters may not know how much the salt to be added. So what you do is, now after mixing it, take the water and taste. Okay, so you will know whether to add more salt or not. Now close the lid of the cooker and allow 3 or 4 whistles to go. Then once the whistles comes out, I'll come back to you. See, I've just opened the cooker after 4 whistles. It should be mushy like this. Trust me, this will be very tasty, very nutritious and stomach filling. Even a child can eat this. Let me just put it in a plate and show you. Here the Kathiawadi khichdi is ready to serve. This will be very nutritious, very tasty. I just love this. This can be eaten anytime for dinner or for lunch or whatever it is. This should be little spicy. Okay, and I have not added garlic. Usually Kathiawadis, they add garlic. So if you like, you can add garlic. So this should be eaten with curd or buttermilk, and add a spoon of ghee while eating. So thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel in the name of Indira Shah. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe it and press the bell button. So thank you very much again. This is Vitvela. Thank you.